Thank you.
Good day. All right, your total say 782.
Now you see, some people need to learn to have a little bit of patience and not to drive like a fucking asshole. And when you can't see, you don't go, because we're about to pull up on an accident that I don't know if my camera actually got, but I heard it and kind of saw it. So that's why I don't think my, I think I was too far up for the cameras. Yep, here it is. Oh. This is why you pay the fuck attention to what you're doing. Perfect example, man. Fucking stupidity.